Hey there. What we have here, it's Mazda 3 headlight. It's a driver's size. It's 2012 hatchback Mazda. This particular headlight has some stains right in the middle. As you can see, it's either glue or some kind of paint. It did leak underneath the lens itself, but I am not worried about it. I did my best what I can clean it off top of the lens. I did start with some 2000 grit sandpaper, then I moved to 3000 using polishing machine. After sanding, we use some polishing compound, and at the very end, we seal the headlight to give it some protection and shine. I hope you enjoyed this one. This is where I switched to a 3-inch polisher with 3000 grit sandpaper. This made this whole process much faster and easier to do. Alright, so that's all when it comes to polishing. It turned out really good. I'm very satisfied with the result. There is one spot, glue spot or paint spot that is underneath the lens. I could not do anything about it, but I'm okay, just fine with that. Looks really good, so I'll put some sealant that I have handy, make it look a little bit nicer, protect it for very so slightly, and that'll be it. If you have any other questions, suggestions, please let me know. I will do another headlight very shortly, and I'll just try to start with the cutting compound. Skip the sanding because it's not too bad. Hopefully I'll get the same results like I did with this lens. So hope you like it, hope you enjoy it. Please subscribe, like, comment, let me know what you think. Thank you.